on the Sherm Farm on the 23rd of July 1993 for Aunt Dixie's 50th wedding anniversary, and here are all the city kids getting ready to milk the cow.
Albert's washing her udders. Oh, we don't need washed udders. Yeah, I gotta clean up the
Here, Andrew. Fight on it.
This is about as city as you can get. We'll tie the cow up to the truck so the slickers can come up out of the mud.
We don't get them dirty.
Okay, who's gonna mount? Tyler, you gonna mount first? There's the bucket. There's some white stuff. Come on, Andrew, get on that side.
Susan, we'll take 2 gallons of low fat, please.
I'll take chocolate.
Chocolate? No, it's not a black cow.
Squeeze the thing out the same time. Don't pull them off, Andrew.
See it? Squeeze and pull.
Get anything yet? No.
Squeeze it.
Wow.
There's Lauren.
There, oh. Yeah.
There's Michael on top of the cow.
Andrew's going at it now. Found out the combination. You bet.
Michael, you okay? You're frozen up there. You might not, yeah, you don't want him to move.
Michael, you want to jump off? Take Michael off. Okay, jump off. Lauren won't. Anyway, there you go.
Come on, let's try.
Hey, look at there. She's a napkin.
Oh, all right.
Right off the
Little
bat.
bony,
Good
isn't it?
girl.
Yeah, Boney. Hello.
Hello, Lauren. Little bony.
Yes.
First time, did she? Oh, yeah. Almost shot across over here.
There you go, Liz. Be real easy.
Mother would say, well, we need a quart of milk for breakfast. The kids
There's Michael and Kristen.
pour like that. Milk, about a quart of milk.
They drink it straight out.
There's Tyler, Bob and Kathy,
During how we heard
Al and Dale, and Susan.
They're Snickers.
So the auctioneer started.
And Peter Dean with Chris.
Got milk all over your leg.
Kids definitely look like they're having some fun. All these city kids doing some farm work here. There's Snickers the dog.